Okay, YouTube, this is a test that we're doing with the Canon R5 different picture styles. We have neutral, landscape, portrait, and standard. I've listed on the bottom, each one's about 10 seconds, I guess, maybe 20 seconds? I can't quite remember. But each one is listed down at the bottom. I think it stays on for the whole time. It's got landscape first, then neutral, portrait, and standard. I didn't do anything with the adjusting anything. It's straight out of the camera, except for except for landscape. I did increase a couple of those. I increased, I think it was color and something else. I'm not sure, but I can't really tell the difference between these. So I'm asking some help. If you guys can tell the difference between these, I'd appreciate it. So I think now we're on the portrait. I try to get something that's got shade and it's got water and it's got, as far as movement, and it has a blue sky in the background. I think this last one is standard. So if anybody can help me out and tell me what the difference of these are, I would appreciate it, and put it in the comments down below. And we'll see if we can get something else going. So thank you very much.